Did you know that these three animals have more than one heart? Hi, welcome to Mind Opener channel. Here you will learn things that are not commonly known. Number 1. Earthworms. In the worm world, these wonderful earth-loving creatures have 5 pseudo-hearts in their tiny, hard-working bodies. But the worms' hearts do not fill up with blood the way humans do. They are actually pairs of aortic arches that function similarly to a heart. These 5 arches, which each of them have only one chamber, are located near the earthworm's mouth. Earthworms breathe through their skin, relying on moisture to make their respiratory system function. Once oxygen has entered the body, one of the 5 aortic arch pairs acts as the primary organ, pumping blood to the rest of the arches, and oxygenated blood to the entire body, using its nerve cells to regulate the heartbeat. By squeezing the 2 blood vessels, will help to circulate the blood throughout the body. Number 2. Octopus and squid. There are 3 hearts beating inside octopus and squid. One main heart that pumps oxygenated blood through the entire body, and 2 bronchial hearts that specifically pump blood through the gills, to the main heart for oxygenation. The main reason for these functions is the composition of the cephalopod's blood. Rather than being comprised of iron-rich hemoglobin, it is made up of copper-rich hemocyanin, which dissolves directly into the animal's blood, making it blue. Hemoglobin is usually more efficient at transporting oxygen than hemocyanin, except in colder, low-oxygen places, like the bottom of the ocean. Making the bronchial hearts are necessary to assist the main heart in supplying the necessary oxygen to the body. Number 3. Hagfish. Considered a primitive animal, the hagfish that looks like an eel, but is actually a fish. It is equipped with 4 hearts, and between 5 and 15 pairs of gills that help oxygenate its blood. One of its 4 hearts, a bronchial heart, pumps blood to the entire body, while the other 3 are considered accessory pumps. They thrive on the bottom of the ocean floor, where oxygen is scarce, scavenging for fish, or even dead carcasses to feed on. Due to the lack of oxygen in their preferred environment, hagfish's hearts have evolved to continue beating without oxygen for 36 hours. As opposed to other species, like humans, that will have permanent damage within minutes of oxygen deprivation. Bonus. Cockroach. Cockroach is known to have the weirdest heart ever. For years, people believed the cockroach had 13 hearts. But these insects actually have just 1 heart, but divided into 13 chambers, making it more resilient to failure than the human heart, which has just 4 chambers. Cockroach multi-chambered hearts are tube-shaped and organized sequentially. One chamber pumps blood into the next, and so on, until the output pressure in the last chamber is ideal, though the cockroach heart will not stop beating if one chamber malfunctions, but it will work less efficiently. Biological scientists in India have taken the notion of a multi-chambered heart and created an artificial organ shaped like an onion with a series of spheres, rather than a tube, with the hope it will be less prone to error than artificial heart models currently used. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Mind Opener channel for more videos that open your mind. See you in the next episode.